Hi everyone, Akash Madhvi here. Today I am here with an important video which is regarding toppers of HSC exam 2020. Uh, Before this video, I have already made various videos on Mumbai University toppers, but this is my first video on HSC 2020 exam toppers. I will be discussing about toppers of arts, commerce and science stream. Apart from that, the marks of the student, college of those students, we will be discussing about what are the reason behind that much of marks, extraordinary results. We will be discussing about reasons and what are the techniques they adopt. We will be discussing about that. First, we will see who are the toppers, top three. After that, we will be discussing about the reason behind such extraordinary results. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we will see who is the topper of arts stream. The topper of Maharashtra in Mumbai division, because Maharashtra State Board conducts exam in various divisions such as Mumbai division, Pune division. So we will be concerned about Mumbai division only. So first rank in Maharashtra goes to, in arts stream, goes to Preet Jain. She is from very reputed college of Mumbai, that is Jai Hind College, and she scored unbelievable marks, that is 96% in arts stream. It is really hard to score that even above 95 marks in HSC level exam, because there is no best of 5 rule as we see in SSC exam. So due to best of 5 advantage in SSC exam, the SSC students score 98, 99 such type of marks easily. I am talking about toppers level, those who get rank in Maharashtra and all. So, but as compared to those students, it is hard to get rank in HSC level exam. So, very congratulations to her, Preet Jain. Recent interview conducted where she was giving interview to Midday, a famous newspaper agency. She was saying that she want to pursue her career in civil services like UPSC exam, and she want to do law also, that is LLB. So all the best to her and congratulations again. Now we will see who is the topper of commerce stream. As compared to science and arts student, many students opt for commerce as a career after their 10th standard. So there is another level of competition in commerce stream. First rank in Maharashtra goes to a Marathi mulgi, Isha Damle. She is from a very dominant college, who is very dominant in commerce, that is R.A. Podar College. Isha Damle is a student of R.A. Podar College, and I will like to give some information about R.A. Podar College. R.A. Podar College is a college which is taking first rank title in Maharashtra since last 2 years. Now this is third year. So hat-trick is already done. In 2018, girl Radhika Joshi, she scored 96% and top Maharashtra board in commerce stream, and she was student of R.A. Podar College. Again last year, a student Anisha, she was also student from R.A. Podar College, and she scored 97.23%, and she was the topper of Maharashtra in commerce stream. The graph is increasing, and again this year Isha Damle maintained that trend, and she scored 98.76% in commerce. Yes, you heard it right, 98.76% in commerce, which is amazing, which is exceptional. One thing I would like to clear, that her 98.76% includes marks from sports, as she was a national level swimmer. So she was awarded 15 marks for that sports part. But anyways, if we exclude that 15 marks, then also her percentage is above 96%. So anyways, no one can beat her record in this exam. So congratulations to her, and her sister, her twin sister, who was also classmate to her in this term, and she also scored 93%. So they both want to pursue their career in commerce in chartered accountancy. They are planning to give CPT, now CA Foundation we call it, CA Foundation exam in November. So all the best to them and congratulations. Now we will see who is the topper of science stream. The Maharashtra State Board topper of Mumbai division of science stream is Dhruv Rambia. He is from Pace Junior College. It is college from Andheri. Andheri is East. He scored 97.23%. One thing I like to tell about him, he was preparing for JEE exams. JEE exams are conducted at all India level. So where other students were preparing for state level exam, that is HSC exam, he was preparing for national level exam. So I don't know how he managed to do that, and therefore he got ranked because he was well versed with the syllabus of HSC. So congratulations to him. He want to do JEE Advance and JEE Mains exam, I think, and after that he is dreaming for admission in IIT, that is Indian Institute of Technology. So as far as performance is concerned, it seems that he will get there soon. So congratulations to Dhruv. Now we will see what are the reason behind such extraordinary results. I have 4 points, you can think about that and let me know what you feel about that. First point is confidence. It's majorly depend upon our confidence. Confidence and target goes on hand in hand. Suppose one student, there are two types of student. One is average student. Suppose he is getting 65% in 10th standard SSC level. In 11th standard he got 65, 67 like that. In 12th standard he will think about maximum 80, 70 like that, in that range. I am not saying he can't score 90, everything is possible, but he will hesitate to target that level of marks. He will hesitate. So it's upon his confidence. If teachers are good, they are motivating him, so that is not the issue, but he will hesitate. That is the fact. On the other hand, one brilliant student is there who is extraordinary. He got first rank in college. He scored 92% in 10th standard, 93, 95, whatever, and he got major rank in his college. So he will definitely try to repeat that title in his next exam, that is 12th standard exam. He will try to go one level up. So that makes the difference. He will not hesitate. How can I score 90? He have confidence that he has already scored 90 in 10th standard. So why he will not score the 91 in 12th standard? So it's depend upon confidence. So we should increase our confidence. Everything is possible. We should not hesitate. Okay, so that was my first point. Second point is competition. We get influenced by our surroundings, agree or not. So suppose I am in a big college, Mumbai's big college, for example R.A. Bodar College itself. So there is too much of competition, merit holders, rank holders are there, so there is too much competition. Everyone thinking about 90, 92, 95. So why I will think about 80? I will also try to, yes, I will give them competition. I will score 92, 93, etc. Why I should, stay behind them? So it's about competition. It's about our surrounding, our environment. Everything influences us. So this is second reason. Third point is passion. If you have joined the biggest classes, most famous classes, biggest college, but you don't have that passion to achieve something, you are okay with clapping for others and you don't want to go on stage, so how can you achieve that much of target? These students also, some toppers are also there who give smart statement like, we don't thinking about rank, it just eventually came, we don't care about marks. That is, I do not agree with those kind of toppers, because they have planned for this title. Not everyone can get that title to get first rank or that much of extraordinary marks. They must have target for that. So that is the reason you should have passion. So this is major point. Fourth point is very important, revision and practice. Now some will say that you are directly jumping into revision part. What about the covering full year syllabus and everything? See, syllabus is same for every type of student. Okay, there is no difference in that. The topper like Isha Damle, she also studied from same syllabus, and the person who got 65, he also studied from same syllabus, right? So there is no difference about that. What make difference is the number of revision, number of testers he has given, and number of revision he has gone through. Some student do 4 revision, some student do 1 revision. It's upon their capacity and their efficiency. Yes, efficiency. So number of practice test he has given, prelims he has given, that makes the difference. Perfection makes the difference. Not everyone can directly jump into a board exam and excel like he scored above 95. This is because of their hard work, their extraordinary practices. So revision and practice part is most important. Some student keep last 2 months for study, and some student keep last 2 months only for revision and tests. They covered entire syllabus 2 months before the exam. So those students are deserving to get that title. So these are the reasons. And thanks for watching this video. I will be making such videos more and more because I love to make such videos. Thanks.